Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a pocket letter with you guys, and I'm going to try to keep this real time and moving along as quickly as I can so it doesn't get too long, but I've gotten some requests to do some longer videos, so I figured this would be kind of a happy medium, and you guys really seem to enjoy the pocket letters that I'm making, so let's go ahead and get started. So I've zoomed you guys in a little bit so you can see the cards a little bit better, and full disclosure, I have planned out my cards a bit just to make things easier on myself editing wise, and so that I can keep this as real time as possible. So I've got some washi going, and then I have this little thing. I've already put some adhesive on there. And then I was thinking of putting this little puffy camera in there too. I think that'd be really cute. I'm just gonna use the Tombow adhesive. That way if my pen pal wants to take this off, they can. And it won't be a big deal. So I'm gonna set the cards aside when I'm done with them, and then right before I put them in the pockets, I'll go through and add all of the jemmies and little final touches. So for the next card, I have this one, and then I was going to layer on this little piece here because I think that'd be kind of fun. I was thinking maybe some of this hot pink would be really cute. So I think that looks adorable. For the next card, I have this paper and then this really pretty pink foil die cut, and I'm just going to put these together and just kind of leave it at that, I think, because the foiling on this is so gorgeous. I don't really want to cover it up with anything. Again, just going to put a little bit of adhesive on there, so if my friend wants to take this off, they can. Isn't that pretty? I almost hate to cut it. Alright, so there's that one. For the next card, I have this piece of paper, and I was thinking of adding one of these kind of more shapy chipboard stickers, I think, but actually I might wait on this one till the end so I can kind of see what my pocket letter is missing and kind of go from there. So for the middle pocket, the one that's right in the center, I have this fun paper, and I pulled out these two chipboard stickers because I thought they would be kind of fun to put together. So I'm just gonna have feeling super. And then right in the middle of this, when I go to put it in the pocket, I'm going to attach this little shaker rosette to the outside because I think that would be really fun and really pretty. And instead of a shaker pocket, this would be kind of a fun alternative. Now, I do have a tutorial on how to make these. I did some over Christmas. If you are not a member of the PopFizzPaper Crafty Club, the live stream for June, we actually sat and made some of these together on camera, and I had some crafty fails, you guys. It was kind of intense, so if you're interested in seeing that, I will leave the link to the Crafty Club down below, and you guys can check it out. For the next card, I have this one, and then I really wanted to try to use up some of my sticker stash, so I really like this big love, and I thought it would go perfectly. So I'm actually just going to put it sideways on this card, I think. I'm gonna wait to press it down until I make sure that they're all kind of aligned how I want. Alright, I think that's really fun. So I'm just going to keep this one really simple again because it's going right next to this shaker one, but I might add some jummies or something right along there, or maybe some washi tape. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see what I decide to do. The next card is this one, and I'm going to use these two die cuts from the collection. I like how this one is kind of the same color, but it's a different kind of pattern, so I think that'll be nice. And it will help the "oh yeah" stand out a little bit from all this writing that's on here already. That is cute. Again, I might add some little jummies. So for the next card, I have this paper, and I'm going to put the taco truck on here because I think that would be really fun. So I am going to put maybe some darker washi or something down here at the bottom to kind of help the taco truck stand out a little bit. Make it look like it's kind of sitting on something and not just floating in the middle of the card. You can just kind of chill on there. And then for the last card, I have this paper, and I wanted to use this cute little cut apart, and then these little sunnies I think would be really fun. So I'm going to trim this down a little bit. And where do I want the glasses to go? Might not even fit on here. Let me set those aside. It's okay. If we don't use them, that's okay. Alright, so that looks like that. And maybe we'll do some more washi tape. And that looks really cute. So these are all of the cards I have so far. And I need to finish with this one, so I wonder which sticker would be kind of fun to put on there. I could do the yay. Let's see, on the other side, what have we got? The love this is really fun. The lol is kind of fun, but I don't really have any other black going on. Let's see, I wonder if there's any of these stickers that would be fun. Maybe like the big clear pineapple. I could do one of these guys. And do that. Do a palm tree on the palm tree. Okay. Then maybe we could do something on the front of there. Maybe something small like the yay. That's alright. Okay, so we've got all that. Alright, so what else do I want to add? Because now is the time to start adding some more little stickers if I want to. So I'm just adding some little accent stickers. This is kind of fun. Alright, so now at this point I just need to put on some jummies. So I think I will stick with pink. I like the blue maybe. Maybe the green. Maybe the light blue. Alright, so we'll do the pink, the light blue, and the light green. And I'm just going to scooch these over. Start working on these three. Zoom you guys in a little bit so you can see a little bit better. Do these now. I really kind of like the idea of adding like a row of them along here. Maybe with the pink. Alright, so that one's on there. I'm not going to add any other colors to that one because I feel like that would kind of be overkill. Alright, so 3 more. So those are all the cards. At this point, let's go ahead and start putting them in the pockets. then on this one, I'm going to use some stickers to write my pen pal's name. And this one, I will use some Tombow Extreme on the back. Like that. And then the last thing I'm going to do is put some washi tape here along the edge, just because that's really fun to do. I think I might use this thick one and then just maybe fold it over. Maybe not. Pineapples would be kind of fun. I don't really have a lot of other yellow in here, so I think I'm going to use this blue one. It will tie in the dark blues, the greens, and then kind of the pinky reds throughout. And this is the finished pocket letter. I hope you guys enjoyed this real-time video. Let me know down below in the comments if you enjoyed this and want to see more videos like this. I will be putting goodies in this after this video. I just wanted to keep them a surprise for my pen pal. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed yet to my channel, you can do so down below. Again, make sure to check out the Crafty Club if you want to see fun live stream projects like these shaker rosettes. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!